Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearstorm. Today we're taking an up-close look at the 2025 Case IH 1455XL tractor, a powerhouse of performance and design that's turning heads in the modern farming world. Whether you're deep in agriculture or just a gearhead like us, this one's going to grab your attention. Let's start right at the front. The bold exterior of the 1455XL is instantly recognizable. The new front grille design has a slightly modernized aesthetic while still honoring that classic Case IH look. It's wide, aggressive, and purposeful, with a pair of powerful LED headlights that cut through early mornings and late nights with ease. The red paint finish is glossy and robust, making it not just functional but great to look at too. The front weight block is neatly integrated, which improves stability and adds a nice visual balance to the beefy front tires. Moving inside the cab, Case IH has really upgraded comfort and functionality for 2025. Climbing in is easy thanks to wide steps and a sturdy grab rail. Once you're seated, you immediately notice the spaciousness. The panoramic visibility from the cab is excellent. Large, crystal-clear windows all around, and slimmer pillars that reduce blind spots. The seat is air-suspended, extremely comfortable for those long hours in the field, and the controls are right where they should be, ergonomic and responsive. The updated digital display gives real-time performance data, fuel levels, engine diagnostics, and more, all in one place. It's modern farming tech wrapped in a classic shell. Now around the back, this tractor doesn't slack off. The rear design is practical and powerful. You've got robust linkage arms, a heavy-duty hitch system, and updated hydraulic connectors that are easier to reach and use than ever. The PTO system is smooth and efficient, capable of handling a wide variety of implements with ease. Everything about the rear setup is meant for durability and high performance. Under the hood, the 1455XL comes with a 6.6-liter turbocharged diesel engine pushing out around 145 horsepower, hence the name. The engine response is strong and the torque curve is exactly what you'd expect for demanding fieldwork. It handles tillage, hauling, and heavy lifting without breaking a sweat. Fuel efficiency has also been slightly improved over previous models, making it not only powerful, but economical to run. As for price, the 2025 Case IH 1455XL lands around $120,000, depending on your chosen specs and regional dealer options. For what you're getting: solid performance, classic looks, modern tech, and reliability. It's a strong investment for serious operators. That's it for today's review. If you found this breakdown helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Gearstorm for more deep dives into the world of machinery and motors. See you in the next one.